Ligswaargewig geveg tussen Gary Ballard van Suid-Afrika teen Frankie Minton van die VSA. Ons sluit aan by die 7de ronde saam met Bill Bloot en Dion Leroux.
Skeieregter wat roep meneer Moelman, hy sê kom nader kerels, helpers uit die kruit, 7de ronde wat aanvang neem. Frankie Minton in die blou broek. Teen Gary Ballard in die donkerblou met die wit strepe. Baie gelyk op die afgelope paar rondes.
And Ballard, who looked as though he was cruising to victory after the first 4 rounds, ran into trouble in the 5th, still hasn't quite put it all together again. Minton has been given the incentive. You see he looks rejuvenated, coming forward, banging that right hand and left hook to the head. Well, now there's a problem with the glove. Tape's coming loose. I don't think that Ballard will mind the moment of respite, but back into action here in the 7th round.
Baie min tyd verspil. Die helpers net die stuk pleister, die stuk hegpleister afgeruk. Gewoonlik moet hy afgesny word. Ballard het nog steeds daar die lelike sny onder die linker oog het, maar hy het nou ophou bloei. En Minton met daar die regter probeer om weer skade aan te rig, en dan is dit op jou en die linker wat deurdring. Ballard wat ook tref met 'n goeie kombinasie.
Ballard looking as though he's getting it all together again. His left jab much more dominant now, putting more power behind the punch and crossing with the right hand. But Minton has been given new hope by that, the way he turned the fight round in the 5th, caught Ballard with a big left hook that sent him staggering across the ring. And ever since then, the American has been a very, very difficult opponent.
Die Minton wil vorentoe kom en hom vasgeloop na die reguit linker van Ballard wat goed getref het. Albei boksers nou getref met die linker. Minton ook so 'n bietjie afwisseling na die maag toe. Regter mis.
And Minton's corner have done a very good job on that cut eye that he sustained on the left, the left brow. They've sealed it completely. Still having problems with the tape, and referee Moelman very unhappy about that.
Daar is weer hegpleister omgedraai om die handskoen daar waar die veters is. En toe onmiddellik Gary Ballard wat vinnig ingeklim het. En daar's 'n geweldige hou van hom. Minton op die grond. Hy gaan die telling van 8 aanhoor en die vraag is of hy gaan opstaan. Ja, daar kom hy. Gaan hy aanhou? Dit is die groot vraag. Gary Ballard wat blind geslaan het. Links rechts nou weer. Die opstoppers is daar.
Ballard is turning this fight around. He's coming back with big punches to the head. Throwing lefts and rights as he's got Minton against the ropes, and that's it. Referee Moelman stops the fight. Ballard has won on a technical knockout in the 7th round. Or has he? No, it was the bell. I couldn't hear it. Well, there was so much noise from the crowd. I didn't hear that bell, but here's a replay. Ballard banging that right to the head as he sends Minton down in the 7th round. And when Minton came off the canvas, Ballard let loose with both hands.
Selfs Gary Ballard het gedink dat hy hierdie geveg gewen het. Ook hy het nie die klok gehoor nie. Maar so byna was daar groot drama in hierdie ronde. En nou is hierdie geveg absoluut gelyk.
Well, absolute pandemonium here in the DLR Hall in Durban, with Gary Ballard very nearly turning this fight around and scoring a knockout in the 7th. Didn't hear the bell, neither did he, and we thought that referee moment to stop the fight, but it's still on. And Minton looks as though he's recovered well during that minute's rest period.
En Gary Ballard wat nou sal moet probeer voortbou op daardie goeie hou wat hy geslaan het in die vorige ronde. Daar die regter wat vir Minton die gepligte telling van 8 laat aanhoor het. En daar's weer 'n goeie regter van Ballard. En aan die ander kant Ballard wat 'n dramatiese sarsie ontvang.
Well, those punches hurt Ballard. His legs spread wide. Minton sees his opportunity. Cutting loose with both hands because Ballard is hurt. The Natal champion trying to fight back. His head not quite clear yet. This is a grueling contest. It could go anyway, Dion.
Ja, hierdie geveg is nog lank nie gewen of verloor nie. Enige iets kan hier gebeur. Dit is doodreg, want die een oomblik dink 'n mens die een bokser is in beheer en dit lyk vir my daar's 'n sny bo kan die linkeroog van Gary Ballard.
Ballard's face a mess, cut both above the eye and beneath the eye now. And Minton coming forward, pounding him with lefts and rights to the head. Deep breath by Ballard. This young man has been badly hurt in this round. And just when it looked as though he had the fight once again in his pocket, Minton has come back to turn it around.
Ballard wat daar met 'n wanhoopspoging by die regter gekom het, nie eintlik geslaag het nie. Daar was nou 'n beter poging geweest.
Again, they're having problems with it. So this is becoming a bit absurd, Dion. And again, just when the fight was at a dramatic stage, they have to stop the action whilst they retake the one glove. Ballard was picking off Minton with the good right hand, measuring with the left, banging home the right. But still anybody's fight.
En nou soek hulle weer die skêr. Een man is besig om hier in die hoek uit raad te gee in plaas van om die skêr uit te haal. Kom die skêr nou. Ballard het so 'n ruskansie kry, maar sy gesig lyk nie goed nie. 'n Sny onderkant die linkeroog op die wang, 'n sny bokant die linkeroog in die oogbank. En Minton wat tref met 'n geweldige regter. Dit moes Ballard geskit het, geen twyfel daaroor nie.
Well, Ballard's defense is suspect, and every now and then Minton bangs home those rights and lefts to the head and rocks the Natal champion to his boots. The fight is balanced on a knife edge, so it could go either way. Both men have been severely punished, but now it's Minton who's taking over control. Trying to stage a... Well, now, yeah, referee Mormon is calling the doctor to have a look at those cuts on Ballard's eye. They do look bad. Orders Minton to a neutral corner as the doctor's making his way to Ballard's. Want to have a look at those eye cuts. Let's hope they don't have to stop the fight on a cut eye. It's been a great battle so far. Swinging first to Ballard, then to Minton. And it's balanced on a knife edge. It really is.
En daar is die dokter van die Natalse boksbeheerraad in die skoot. En die geveg kan voortgaan. Maar 'n geweldige aanslag weer eens van Frankie Minton, maar Ballard wat nie op hom laat wag nie. Hy veg vir elke duit terug. En aan die einde van daardie ronde nog 'n regter wat goed tref van Minton. 'n mooi gesig van Gary Ballard nie. Ronde nommer 9 wat begin.
Well, we've got Ballard comfortably ahead on points, but I don't think the point spread matter much in this fight because the way it's going, it could end in a knockout at any minute.
Ballard wat vir Minton op 'n afstand probeer hou met daardie reguit linkers van hom. En dis 'n lelike snybok aan daardie linker oog van Ballard en hier is Minton weer met daardie aanvalspoging links regs. Ballard is in die moeilikheid teen die oorkantste toue. Kan hy homself nog verdedig? Ek weet nie. Bloed uit die neus nou ook van Minton. Hy kry 'n regter. Regs-links kombinasie. Hy's geskit Minton. Wat wil jy meer hê?
Well, both men banging home lefts and rights to their head, and Ballard looking a little shaky, but then just when it looked as though Minton was on top, Ballard came back with that good left hook, and the crowd responded with a roar. Ballard has made this very hard for himself now this evening. He has a habit of dropping his hands as he goes back. Minton sees that and takes full advantage. That's how he's managing to score those rights over the top.
Tweede laaste ronde van hierdie geveg oor 10. Ballard se tydsberekening nie meer heeltemal daar nie. Hy's 'n moe man, hy's 'n man wat seer gekry het. Hy's 'n man wat twee snye het. Een onder die linkeroog, een bo aan die linkeroog en hy is in die moeilikheid.
Suspected this would be a hard fight for Ballard, and my goodness, Minton has given him a terrible going over here this evening. Making a good fight back as the American. Needs a knockout perhaps to win the fight because he's way behind on points, having lost the early rounds.
Goeie regter van Ballard wat getref het. Nog een.
Although both men have been badly shaken by punches to the head, it's only Minton who's been on the canvas. And there we come to the end of the 9th round.
One more. Shake, last round. Shake hands. Shake hands, right? Shake hands. Shake hands, right? Keep your hands up. Don't even get dry anymore. You're going well.
Last round coming up.
Last round, thank you. Monday water, yes. Shake hands, last round. Last round, right? Please keep your hands up. Just work. Work as if it's the first round.
Well, here's some replay from that 9th round. A grueling round for Gary Ballard. Even though in this replay, it's Ballard who's unleashing the punches. Minton gave him a hard time. Banged some good punches to the head himself. The 10th and final round of this light heavyweight fight between Gary Ballard and Frank Minton. On our card, Ballard slightly ahead on points, but it's hardly a question at the moment. It's a question of whether Ballard can last the 3 minutes. He's been under a lot of pressure in these late rounds. And Minton must know that he needs a knockout to pull this fight out of the fire.
Oorlewingsronde vir Gary Ballard. Hy het daardie geweldige sny bo aan die linkeroog. Dit bly nie op die oomblik nie en dit is tot sy voordeel. Goeie werk gedoen daar in die hoek deur Chip Wilson het ek vroeër gesien. Maar dit is 'n lang sny en hy kan enige oomblik weer aan die bloei gaan en dan gaan daar probleme wees vir Ballard.
Once again, Ballard boxing from behind that left jab. banging home rights to the head, and it's Minton who's happy to fall into a clinch.
Ek sien alweer probleme kom met daardie verband om die handskoen van Minton. Hy's weer los om die linkerarm.
I think it's just, oh, that's it, handsbal.
Geweldige regter, hy het gelei met die reguit linker. Die regter het hom getref, hy gaan nooit opstaan nie, dis verby. Die einde van die geveg en Gary Ballard wen. Net uitgeklop in die laaste ronde. Skitterend.
What a magnificent win for Gary Ballard. This really was baptism by fire for the young Natal Light Heavyweight champion. And he pulled it out with a left-right combination to the head. Sent the Americans crashing to the boards. Minton's still in a fog. He hasn't recovered as they take him back to his corner. And Ballard can be very, very pleased with himself tonight. He's come through his baptism of fire with flying colors. Magnificent fight. Here's a replay. Let's take a look and see what happened in that 10th round as Ballard pushed Minton back, measured him with the left. There's a right hand. There's a left hook, and Minton went down for the